capital of West Bengal and the city of joy, celebrates its Christmas and New Year's. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. You can now follow me in the social media. The link is in the description box. And for more recipes, do follow my Facebook page, that is Orchid Bakes and MOHUA'S Kitchen. MOHUA'S Kitchen, and today I'm not cooking, and today we'll just celebrate our 25th December. So see how did we celebrate. And here this is one of my friends, my admirer of MOHUA'S Kitchen. And here everyone is there. Few more is there to come. Till we are celebrating our Christmas party in my house, in my MOHUA'S Kitchen. Do stay.
Biryani and chap.
Yes.
Biryani and chap cooked by MOHUA'S Kitchen. Owner MOHUA'S only.
Both the recipes, chicken chop and biryani, is in the I button. Please do check, and in the description box too. Everybody is enjoying food. Biryani.
Chicken item order
Biryani and chop. How did you like my biryani? Is it, did you like my biryani?
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
See, she is eating now. How did you like it?
Awesome!
So people are enjoying in the kitchen itself also.
Enjoying, no talking, only eating. Only. Thank you to MOHUA that she has did a very nice recipe, and this biryani and this chicken chop, excellent and awesome. We are just enjoying, and we are now just speechless in this moment. Thank you.
After I have my lunch, I'll get back to you. We are enjoying now.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry